Welcome. If you're looking to confirm a follow request on Instagram using the app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram has made this process even more straightforward. Whether you're new to Instagram on desktop or just want to make sure you're following the right steps, I'll walk you through the process, step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. You can do this by launching the Instagram app if you have it installed, or by heading to the official Instagram website in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the notifications icon. It looks like a bell. This is where you'll find all your latest activity, including follow requests. After clicking the notifications icon, a list of recent notifications will appear. Scroll through these notifications until you find the one that says someone has requested to follow you. Instagram now highlights these requests, making them easy to spot. If you have multiple requests, you'll see them listed one after another. Once you've found the follow request you want to confirm, you'll notice two options, confirm and delete. To accept the request, simply click on confirm. The person will now be able to see your posts and stories, and you'll officially be connected on Instagram. If you change your mind later, you can always remove them from your followers list. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can manage your follow requests directly from your PC. Thanks to Instagram's new update. No more switching back and forth between your phone and computer. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy connecting.